Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to cut parts of video in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Wondershare Filmora application from their official website. When you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but that is not necessary. Now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have the file, edit, tools, view, export, and help options. And also we have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and split screen options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and cut parts of a video in Filmora. It is pretty simple guys, you just need to go and follow these few steps. So basically what we firstly need to do is go and import a video in our application. You'll do that by clicking on the video and dragging it to your screen. Now when you did that guys, you can also go do it by clicking on file, clicking on import media and importing media there, or clicking on Control I. Now what you need to do guys is go and put it down here where you can go and cut it. So we'll be cutting parts of video by clicking. So you need to firstly choose a part. Then we need to go and click Control and letter B, or you can go and just click on the scissors here. And now when we have both of them or multiple of them, like as you can see, like that, we can go and cut them by clicking on delete, or we can go and click on right click and then delete. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Bye guys.